Welcome to the Anti-Polygon channel. Let's add a circle first. Fill up the circle by pressing the F button. Go to edit mode and press vortex and connect them with J button. After that we select all our edges and press Ctrl B. Now let's extract our faces. Now let's repeat again. Let's add 2 rings and cut out the middle. We extract them according to the thickness of our tree. Let's play around with the size settings. Now it's time for the subdivision modifier to add level 3. In edit mode, add edges around the perimeter of our circle so that it looks like a circle. Now it's time for our base for our table. To do this, I add a cube, resize it, lower it down and extract 2 faces. Now it's time to connect our table to the base. Let's duplicate one of our sticks and place it vertically and resize it to the size we want. Let's add a mirror modifier. Let's move on to adding our textures. I'll split the screen as I'm comfortable and you can repeat it for me. For our floor, I'll just add black, and nothing more. And with the wood texture, I won't bother either. Click on Editor Shader. Let's add one note image texture. Find the wood texture you like the most. Connect it to the base color of our modifier. After that, we can now add this color to all our details. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my short tutorial, so it was a pleasure to talk to you, even through an assistant like this.